Hello everyone, my name is Shashwat Khare. I'm responsible for marketing for ETAP, our new digital twin platform. And first of all, welcome to a very special day in the history of our company. Today is the first day that we are together as one brand across the software portfolio. And I want to take you through that journey, who we are, what do we do, and what is the new ETAP brand all about. Throughout this event, you will hear about climate change becoming a massive problem for the world, and we know where we are today. We are not on the right track. We've gone through multiple stages across the years where we land up at a point where the temperatures are growing beyond control. And the only way out of this is to go through a process of transitioning to a more electric world, and that's only possible when it's digitized. We call this Electricity 4.0, a more electric and a more digital world to enable sustainability for the future. Electricity is the only vector of energy that can be decarbonized over time, which can be done with a three-stage process. We call it strategize, digitize, and decarbonize. The digitization of energy is essential to make it sustainable over the long period of time. And all of this starts when we design new electrical systems. We retrofit our buildings with the right kind of electrical design. In order to enable the design and sustainability activities for the future, Schneider Electric has put together a new portfolio under a brand called ETAP. ETAP is a world-famous software brand, which is an ecosystem of software companies that have been put together to address the entire life cycle from design till operations. We have got a specific set of software that address the first phase, which is planning, modeling, design, and analysis of electrical systems, which has been divided into three parts. First is for electro-intensive sites, which require model-driven design, where we need to simulate changes before we act on any specific sustainability-related actions. We've got ETAP suite of software with a model-driven design available for this part of design. We've got the Canico One suite of software, which has been specifically designed for a standards-driven approach. When we are designing commercial and industrial buildings, the primary constraint is to make sure that we are standard compliant, and our Canico suite of software ensures that sites remain standard compliant while making the design. And the world is moving towards a lot more BIM-related design activities. Building information modeling is becoming a commonplace across the world. Autodesk has come up with a software called Revit, which is the primary software used for BIM design. And we have developed a partnership with Autodesk to develop our own software called Advanced Electrical Design, AED. This software has been specifically designed to work in the Revit environment so that there is no export of data required into Revit in order to make electrical design possible. We do it within the Revit interface itself. All of the design data that's done during the first stage is used by installers and panel builders in order to build and commission physical electrical systems. For this part, we've got a software suite called C. With C, we've got the possibility of completely designing from scratch an electrical system which is engineered using a digital twin approach, which is commissioned with digitized documentation, and all the cabling sizing, all the harness design is done as a native part of the software. The exports from this software are used during the operation phase by people who are operators and maintenance individuals who can actually use this on a day-to-day basis, but at the same time link back their operations to the first phase of planning and design. It is a very big problem in the industry to make sure that what we design is eventually what is used. ETAP ensures consistency from the start of the life cycle of the project till the end when we are actually in use, by making sure that the design that's being used upfront is the same that's being used to monitor and control an installation. So we provide an entire suite of software, and what you see on the screen right now is the world's biggest software portfolio for electrical design. We are the number one company in the world when it comes to electrical design software. With the new branding and with all the companies put together, we are the leading sustainable enterprise platform for electrical design, simulation, engineering, and operations. Our vision is to provide the best electrical and automation digital twin. We want to grow the best-in-class industry-leading applications so that we can ensure smooth data transfer across the project lifecycle. It will be a unified platform for energy management, and we will augment it progressively with artificial intelligence. We know that our customers would like a hybrid solution. At times, it's better to be on-premise. At times, it's better to be over the cloud. We provide a hybrid approach which is adaptable to the needs of a customer. And with this, our ambition is to provide a reliable source, a single source of truth, which ensures that we deliver value across the life cycle of a project. We maximize efficiency and minimize downtime for our customers. And we unlock the sustainability by enabling simulations of the different scenarios that the customers would like to test before they actually implement their sustainability activities. And this is what an electrical digital twin approach provides. So here it is, the first presentation of ETAP across the brand portfolio. With our new portfolio, we serve multiple segments on the demand side and the supply side. On the supply side, we enable power plant control and SCADA operations through our software for large electrical production facilities. And on the demand side, we enable all the end users to design through a digital twin approach and actually operate their sites with confidence and reduce the energy consumption on a day-to-day basis. So here it is, the #1 company in the world, ETAP, for electrical design portfolio. We are here with 35 years of experience in design, with over 1,000 people in the company, 40% of us dedicated to R&D facilities. 3 of the leading electrical softwares, C, Canico, and ETAP within the same portfolio. 20,000 customers served worldwide with more than 200,000 licenses already in use. We are ETAP, and we are here to serve you with the world's best electrical digital twin. Thank you. Any question?
Hi, sir. This is Sakti. As you told that AED is replacement of your Revit BIM, right? The software, AED.
AED is replacement of?
It's like a Revit model.
So within Revit, which is the BIM software, there will be an option to make electrical designs within Revit itself, which will be done through this option called Advanced Electrical Distribution. Okay. So within that interface, you click on that option and it opens up an electrical design interface for the customer.
So it is an additional model to add up in the Revit?
It would be within Revit, yeah. It would be an option within Revit, yeah.
Okay, it will be supported, it will be BIM 360, whether you are working this
platform? It will be, but not, it's not introduced worldwide right now. We are starting with the US and slowly it will be introduced in all the countries.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So right now, which are the countries available?
USA.
US alone?
Yeah.
No India?
Not yet.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot, and I encourage you to visit our booth. We've got an extensive demo of all of the software that we've spoken about and the services from Schneider that complement that as well. Thanks a lot for your time.